The Hspdp youth wing on Wednesday has decided to meet political leaders and senior officials in Delhi on their demand for creation of a separate Khasi Jayanti estate. Talking to reporters, Hspdp youth wing president Shandondor Rintathyang said that they will be going to Delhi in the second week of December. The Hspdp youth wing president, however, refused to say much on the Mukro shooting incident since the party top leaders have made their comments over the incident.
That is not our subject, but we need a Khasi Jayanti state of our own. It's very clear, since I've said that the founding president of the party also, he has seen a vision that the only way to give a good governance to the people, especially of the indigenous Khasi Jayantia, is by getting a separate state of our own. We have been seeing in the press and in the social media platform that reservation policy is one of the much heated debate that is going on. Khasi Jayanti state is the solution for our future and especially the indigenous people of our state.
Former NPP leader and MDC Sofiur Rahman